Hey there, and welcome back to Cook Well in part 2 of the salsa series. This time coming at you with a spicy salsa verde. Now, before we get started, I want to take a second to talk about our friend here, the Tomatillo. Sometimes called the Mexican husk tomato, these green duders are part of the nightshade family and are similar to the tomatoes we all know. When harvested early, they have a delicious acidic flavor and are packed with pectin, which will give our final product a perfect consistency. Underneath the leafy husk, the tomatillo is coated in a sticky film. No worry, this is just to protect our green friends here from invasive insects and washes off easily in warm water. In addition to the 9 tomatillos, or about 7 ounces, that I'm going to be using today, I'm also going to use 3 serranos and 2 jalapenos. Now you could use poblanos or hatch chilies here, just depending on how spicy you like it. Also, 5 cloves of garlic, half of a medium yellow onion, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of whole cumin seed. And we'll finish with some fresh lime juice and cilantro. Let's get started. Turn our broiler on high to get preheating. Tomatillos have that film we talked about earlier, so they need a good rinse under warm water. Once the produce is washed, we'll give our onion a rough chop. You just want to work this into smaller pieces as it's all going in the blender in the end. The garlic, tomatillos, and chilies I will leave whole with all the seeds in. Just remove the stems. We'll hit it with some neutral oil like canola or vegetable. Tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. We'll add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and we're ready for the oven. Now, you don't want to use cast iron for this because you want something non-reactive when cooking acidic foods. Stainless steel, Pyrex, or ceramic would all work great. We'll get our veggies into our roasting pan and try to make a nice even layer, and then into the oven. We want to go on the top rack, right under the broiler. 25 minutes or so, or until they have good color. You could also let these go a lot longer for more of a charred flavor. Now onto the stove. Heat a deep saucepan over medium-low heat. We'll add some neutral oil and toast our cumin seeds. Once fragrant, add everything from your roasting pan. Give it a stir and we'll let it stew for about 15 or 20 minutes. Once that's done, we go to the blender. Everything inside. I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lime and half a bunch of fresh cilantro, but these amounts are up to you. We'll get the top to our blender on. Then just blend to your desired smoothness, adjust seasoning if necessary, and you're done. Look at it. Doesn't it just make you want some cheese and tortillas? Thanks for watching.